Hello class, good morning. How are you? Fine? Okay. I am Nargis Shahid Ahmed Tulve. Warm welcome in my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn numbers and its spelling means numbers in words and select the number and frame a sentence about it. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's start. Now see ONE 1 TWO 2. Can you tell me the spelling of 3? Yes. THREE 3. FOUR 4. FIVE 5. SIX 6. SEVEN 7. EIGHT 8. NINE 9. TEN 10. ELEVEN 11. TWELVE 12. THIRTEEN 13. FOURTEEN 14. FIFTEEN 15. SIXTEEN 16. SEVENTEEN 17. EIGHTEEN 18. NINETEEN 19. TWENTY 20. TWENTY-ONE 21. TWENTY-TWO 22. TWENTY-THREE 23. TWENTY-FOUR 24. TWENTY-FIVE 25. Now select the number and frame a sentence about it. Number 7. SEVEN 7. There are 7 days in a week. 5. FIVE. There are 5 vowels in English. Then 8. EIGHT. A spider has 8 legs. Then 2. TWO 2. They had 2 daughters. 19. These are 19 flowers. 20. TWENTY. There are 20 pens. 21. TWENTYONE 21. There are 21 butterflies. In our next video, we will continue the numbers 26 to 50. Homework. Write the numbers in words 1 to 25 and sentences given in the video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Okay?